2007 Winnebago Vectra 40TD for sale in Metairie, Louisiana. 70006 2007 Winnebago Vectra, top of the line 8,450 miles, WKS 40TD. 2 full-side, pop-out provide incredible spacious interior. 7 feet ceilings. Galley forward layout with ceramic tile and Korean countertops in entrance, galley, and bath. Walk-through or round bath. Valley Sage full-body paint with Serenity/Honey Cherry interior. Galley includes a GE Frontier microwave speed cook convection oven, Amana 3-burner range top, LPG, Fisher Paykel drawer-style dishwasher, Norcold refrigerator 4-door with ice maker, electric propane, Moen faucet single-control W pull-out sprayer, water purifier, roll-out pantry. The entertainment systems include driver console, radio AM/FM stereo, satellite receiver, CD player and 10-disc Sony CD changer. Lounge home theater sound system, 37 sharp color LCD TV/SAT TV system with InMotion, Kingdome satellite antenna and Power TV antenna with amplifier. Stereo with remote video selection system. Bedroom, Jensen stereo with AM Fathom per Candela DVD player and a 20 sharp color LCD TV. Exterior entertainment center, 32 Jensen LCD TV with DVD player. Lounge includes 2 ultra leather lounge recliners, theater style. Ultra leather sofa bed and dining table with individual chairs. Bedroom includes queen size bed. Washer dryer combo bath includes shower with fold down seat. Korean countertop cab includes ultra leather, 6-way power, pedestal seats. Adjustable brake accelerator pedals. Cruise control. Alpine GPS navigation system. Sony, color, rear camera monitor system. Sony side camera system, turning. Defroster and auxiliary fans. 2 powered sun visors. Power mirrors with defrost and turn signals. Spotlight with remote. Rear-facing docking lights. Remote power door lock with touchpad entry. Auto-leveling hydraulic level jacks. Electric double doorstep. Exterior includes window shades on all windows. Roll-up awning with electronic package. Portable, DC refrigerator freezer. The bus is built on a Freightliner Evolution chassis with 400 horsepower Cummins diesel, ISL 03, not low sulfur only. Allison 6-speed automatic transmission. It includes an 8.0 kW Ohm quiet diesel generator with auto start system. 50 amp shore power with power retract system. Water supply hose with powered reel. 10 gallons LPG electric water heater. Central vacuum system. True Air, central AC and heat pump with 2 LPG furnaces, 25,000 and 40,000 British thermal units. Ceiling fans in the lounge and bedroom. 2 powered, insulated roof vents. Water system filtration package. 10-watt solar panel. Mud flaps front, mud guard rear. Folding step ladder. 2-piece exterior roof ladder 100 gallons fuel tank 107 gallons fresh water tank 86 gallons grey water tank 52 gallons black water tank 31 gallons LPG tank Roadmaster 9100 towed car braking system Black Hawk 2, all-terrain tow bar 10,000 pounds new deep cycle house batteries. Jen exhaust snorkel. Welcome to Select Vehicle Marketing. Visit us anytime at http://www.selectvehiclemarketing.com, the nation's premier marketplace of for sale by owner, private party listings of cars, trucks, RVs, boats, motorcycles, airplanes and all types of motorsports and heavy equipment. Select Vehicle Marketing is the nation's premier private party, for sale by owner advertising agency. Select Vehicle Marketing prides itself on its commitment to meet and exceed our clients' expectations. Select Vehicle Marketing has marketing professionals who are experienced with every aspect of internet marketing and advertising. So if you are asking yourself, how do I sell my car online or how do I sell my RV online? Contact Select Vehicle Marketing. Select Vehicle Marketing also offers assistance with anything and everything you could possibly need while selling your car, truck, RV, boat, motorcycle, airplane and all types of motorsport and heavy equipment including financing, shipping, warranties and more. Div style equals color, RGB, 0, 0, 0. Font family, Tahoma, Arial, Helvetica, Sans Serif. Font size, 12.222222328186px. Text align, center,